Jurong Port has been Singapore's primary multi-purpose gateway for general, bulk and containerized cargoes since 1965. Our mission is to be an efficient gateway port and to reinforce Singapore's maritime hub status. Up until 2017, JP was primarily a landlord port. This meant that JP provided berthing and storage facilities, while cargo handling, especially for general cargo, was carried out by more than 20 different stevedoring companies who dealt directly with the end users of the port and carried out cargo handling activities almost independently of JP. However, this landlord model became untenable with an aging stevedore workforce. Related to this inability to rejuvenate the workforce were the stagnating levels of labour productivity and safety performance at JP. These issues stemmed from the landlord model, since the many stevedore companies did not individually have sufficient scale to invest or pool resources to realise economies. To ensure JP's ability to fulfill its mission in the face of these seemingly intractable challenges, JP embarked on its transformation journey in 2015 to transition itself from a landlord to become a port operator. As an operator, JP is then able to cultivate a direct relationship with port users, addressing their cargo handling and other supply chain needs directly. In June 2016, JP integrated more than 300 stevedore workers that had been under the employment of the stevedore companies into its own workforce. This enabled JP to organize the workforce, train them, and take advantage of scale to efficiently and safely deploy them for work in cargo handling operations in a manner fully compliant with manpower regulations. In February 2017, we also put in place a safety transformation plan that improved safety standards and cultivated a safety culture through engagement and education with stevedore companies. Accident frequency rates were halved as a result. By the end of 2017, we successfully assumed the role of an operator, being directly responsible for more than 90% of the cargo in the port. We introduced a set of tariffs and best practice guidelines for steel cargo handling in recognition of the higher productivity and better overall service standards achieved with JP as an operator. Having successfully transitioned from landlord to operator, we set ourselves an ambitious target of realizing our vision of becoming a next-generation multi-purpose port by 2025. A next-generation Jurong Port will be smart and efficient, digital and business-friendly, safe, secure and sustainable. And we intend to achieve this by developing port-centric ecosystems and digital collaborative platforms along the supply chains, creating value for Singapore's industries. Sitting at the nexus of supply chains across multiple industries, we're able to pool resources and optimize these supply chains with customized solutions for cargo movements. By transforming our waterfront, we enable greater efficiency and cost competitiveness. One example is the construction sector. The ready-mixed concrete facility integrates the cement, aggregates and steel supply chains with other components, thereby shortening the construction supply chain, reducing transportation and our carbon footprint while increasing land intensification. In the energy sector, Jurong Port Tank Terminals is another ecosystem strategically connected to an extensive network of refineries and storage terminals on Jurong Island, facilitating efficient flow of products between our tank terminal and Jurong Island. Phase 2 of the tank terminal may even see the capacity to store fuels of the future. This is further complemented by our proposed development of the LNG ecosystem for small-scale breakbulk, bunkering, regasification and cold energy. These developments will position us to reinforce Singapore's maritime hub status and support the growth of sustainable clean energy for the future. Digitalization also plays an integral part in building a smart and efficient port by 2025. Digitization of our operational processes at the waterfront will give us real-time visibility of operations. Complemented by the development of digital collaborative platforms such as Lighter Terminal Connect, data is harnessed to further optimize processes through digitalization and add value to the supply chains we serve. JP also recognizes the need to be environmentally sustainable. Since 2015, we have implemented a number of green initiatives for a greener port. We are already home to the world's largest port-based solar farm. We will continue to do our part in Singapore's pledge to a low-carbon future and explore opportunities to position ourselves at the forefront of environmental sustainability. Our commitment as we move towards our goal of becoming a next-generation multi-purpose port by 2025 is to optimize and orchestrate the supply chains we serve through digitalization and creation of port-centric ecosystems for different industry verticals. Through such optimization and orchestration, JP can create value for all industry participants and for Singapore through greater supply chain resilience. As a next-gen port, JP will be able to fulfill its mission as Singapore's premier multi-purpose port.